class, so for this module, you'll be doing measurement estimations. The first thing you'll need to do is go ask a parent if you have a ruler, a measuring tape, or a yardstick. Second, you're gonna go and find 3 items in your house that you'll need to do estimations and measurements on. So you'll go around the house and, for example, pick up a book and give an estimation. So for me, I think this is about 9 inches long. So then, like I said, next step is picking out the best tool that, to use to measure the book. As you guys see, the book is a medium-sized item, so what do you think would be easier? For me, I think it would be easier to use a ruler. So then I go and measure the item. And you have to make sure you're using inches for this project, okay? You measure, and I see it's 8.5 inches. Then I have to go and put that in my table and find the difference. Another item you can measure would be your bed frame. So in this thing, I think the easiest thing would be to do a yardstick. So the first thing you have to do again is do an estimation. So I think this is about 30 inches long or wide. So then I go and I use my yardstick and I make my measurements and I go and I add it up. So that was 36 plus 15. I add those up. Or if it's too hard, you can go ahead and use a measuring tape. So again, I thought that was 20 inches long, but I'm gonna go and use a measuring tape to get an accurate measurement. So I go, start over here, and again, we have to use inches all the way across. And I see that it was 63 inches. I added the 15. You're gonna have to go and put all your information into your table on canvas, like this one. Once you've completed part 1, which was measuring and doing your estimations, you're going to go to part 2. You will enter all your information. You go ahead and do part 2 of your project. You're going to review all your classmates' tables and find 1 or 2 items and compare their measurements to yours, the same items. If they measured a book and you measured a book, find the difference between their size book and your size book. And again, insert that into your table and add it to the discussion. And that's it for this week. If you have any questions or need help, please feel free to email me.